Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we are giving you a tour of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. Now this is the actual road that they are building. It's going to go from Anshore to Irvine. And as you can see, they are building a new road. It's taking a new alignment. So the point about squatting has come up now, or the issue of squatting. Because the government is worried that in 5 years' time, the land on the left and the right, the land beside this road, is going to be taken over by squatters. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. So guys, let us know what you think. Do you think squatters are going to move in to this area? Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security, Honorable Dr. Horace Chang, is calling for a more robust legislative framework to support urban planning in Jamaica. Dr. Chang noted that a comprehensive legal framework to foster sustainable, prosperous communities is crucial in addressing potential challenges posed by unregulated development. We have to look at what legislation fits Jamaica's situation today. It needs some thinking through. It needs some discussion with the planners, with the security forces, with all the stakeholders in society, commerce, and individuals, he stated. Dr. Chang said that a modern, effective framework could assist with curbing unregulated developments, especially in areas where there is rapid urban and tourism expansion. He cited the ongoing construction of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, warning that without proper planning, vacant lands along the route could face squatting issues within 5 years. I urge the Jamaican planners to look at our environment, all the features from our physical layout, our people's culture, the opportunities for development, and how we combine that to maintain a formal Jamaican environment while still creating opportunities for employment, tourism, along with other professional services, Dr. Chang said. Dr. Chang also pointed out the importance of collaboration between the National Environment and Planning Agency (NEPA), municipal corporations, and other town planning authorities to ensure cohesive, accountable urban planning. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.